Hi guys, my name is Lisa. Welcome back to my channel and I'm really happy to see you here today. In this video, I will show you one effective strategy. As usual, I know you love them with Stochastic Oscillator and Bollinger Bands. But before we start, don't forget to subscribe to my Telegram channel. The link will be in the description of this video. And also the link to Pocket Option will be in the description of this video as well. You can open it right now and repeat right after me. So less words, more actions as usual, and let's get started. So guys, here is our pocket option, and first we need to choose our indicators, Stochastic Oscillator and Bollinger Bands. Here it is. So let's start with Stochastic. We don't change the numbers and we just change the colors. Here we change it to green and here we change it to the red, and we click save. For the Bollinger Bands, you could also change the colors, but it's not really important for our strategy, so you can leave it just like this. And now we are looking for a good chart to open our trade. You remember that we need to find the chart where all the indicators is showing us the same signal, and here I open a trade for $1,000 down. This is pretty good situation, so I will explain it to you in a few words, and then I will tell you more details about all the indicators. So by the way, the time for our trade is 3 minutes. The time for candles is M1, but if you want to, you can choose M2 and M3. Amount of money you choose by yourself, but I recommend to use 1 to 5% of your deposit per trade, so you can cut your deposit into a few steps. So if you will not win some trade, you can do a catch-up. So let's look at that at Bollinger Bands first. We can see that all the three lines is going downward in the same direction. So this is pretty easy sign to understand that our chart will go even lower. So here we trade with short-term trades. 3 minutes is still a short trade, so that's why we're following our indicators like this. So for example, if we will do more longer trades, for example 6 minutes, 7 minutes, we will do the opposite because our chart could reverse and go higher. But here we just follow our indicators, and let's look at the Stochastic Oscillator. So here we can see that the two lines of Stochastic Oscillator, the blue one and the orange one, is below our red line, so it means that our downward trend is really strong right now. Our red line is at 20, the level of Stochastic Oscillator. So when our two lines of Stochastic is below 20 or in a 20 line, it could mean that our chart will go even lower. So we have 50 seconds till the end of our trade. So let's talk about Stochastic Oscillator. What is that? So Stochastic Oscillator is a momentum indicator which compares a specific closing price of an asset to its high-low range over a set number of periods. So the basic premise of the indicator is that momentum precedes the price, so the Stochastic Oscillator could signal an actual movement just before it happens. So this is actually a really great indicator for a strategy. Also, a lot of traders use Stochastic Oscillator with Kelter channel, but today we're using it with Bollinger Bands. So guys, it's 3, 2, 1, and boom, we won our trade. Guys, let's find another chart maybe. So I will show you more situations, and we need to find the chart where all the indicators is showing us the same signal. Here it is, and I open a trade here for $1,000 down again. Here we can see that the three lines of the Bollinger Bands is going down in the same direction, but we can see that our two lines of Stochastic Oscillator is still on the green line, is still on the level 80. But this is actually a different situation. We can see that it was an upward trend for a long time. Our chart achieved the resistance level and now it's going lower. So in 3 minutes, it will definitely go even lower than right now. And we can see now that the two lines of Stochastic Oscillator is out of the selling position. We can see it's going lower right now. So that's why we opened that trade, but this is pretty riskful. Don't recommend you to do that, but still it's pretty good trade. So about stochastic oscillator signals, when we see that our two lines of stochastic, the blue line here and the orange one, is intersects the green line and go even higher, it means that we need to open a trade up. So when our two lines at the level of 80 or higher, because our green line is the level of 80, we need to open a trade up. It means that our upward trend is strong right now. And also when we can see that the two lines of stochastic, the blue line and the orange line again, is going lower in the same direction, and they are at the 20 level, the red line, or even lower than the 20 level, it means that the downward trend is stronger right now and we need to open a trade down. So this is pretty easy to understand. It's working for short-term trades. If you trade with long trades, you need to use some different strategy here. Also, by the way, I like to use stochastic oscillator with line charts. It's working also pretty great, but maybe I will show you that in the different videos. So yeah, guys, we closed our trade and let's find another chart for open our trade. And here is a good moment, and I opened the trade for $1,000 up for 3 minutes as well. Guys, by the way, text me in the comments what do you think about the longer trades, but because before we were trading with 1 minute trades in my VIP club, in the videos, everywhere, but now we change it and we trade with 2 or 3 minutes trades on my trading sessions, and I had the feedback that you like it a lot, and I'm really happy. So guys, here is the situation, really easy. Actually, it was a downward trend before, and so the first signal why we need to open a trade up here is because of support and resistance level. So here we can see that it was a downward trend for a long time. Our chart achieved the support level, the lowest point of the chart, and boom, it's reversal, and now our chart is going higher and higher every time. So when you use any of the strategy, always look at support and resistance level. So let's also look at the stochastic oscillator. We can see that our two lines of this indicator, the blue line and the orange one, is intersects the green line, the 80 level. So as we remember, it means that our chart will grow later. And also let's look at the Bollinger Bands indicator. Is the same, all the three lines is going up in the same direction, so this is pretty obvious, we can see that. So about Bollinger Bands, so the upper band shows a level that is statistically high or expensive. The lower band shows a level that is statistically low or cheap, and the Bollinger Band width correlates to the volatility of the market. So in a more volatile market, Bollinger Bands widen. In a less volatile market, the bands narrow. So I think this is also pretty obvious. I hope so. So even for beginners, it will be really easy to analyze this chart. Actually, to be honest, I don't really use Bollinger Bands a lot because for me, it's not giving a lot of the information. So you could also try to use Stochastic Oscillator with Kelter channel. I just already had a video about Kelter channel, so in this strategy, I decided to show you how you can also use Stochastic Oscillator with another indicator. You can, try a lot of things and find something for yourself. So it's 3, 2, 1, and boom, we won our trade. So guys, as you can see, this is really great and effective strategy. We did not even have any of the catch-ups in this trading session today, all the profits in a row. So yeah, you can see it's working pretty great, and you should definitely try it on the pocket option, the link in the description of this video. Remember about that. You can even try it first on demo account. Of course, I always recommend you to use and try and use strategy on the demo account first, and then when you will be sure about your abilities about this strategy, you can go to the real account and trade there. So text in the comments also what do you think about this strategy, about these indicators. Did you already try it before? It will be really interesting for me to read it. And guys, yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you like it. Also, it will be really important and interesting for me to read maybe your ideas of the video, what you want to see, what kind of the strategies, what kind of the indicators, and I will definitely do it for you. So guys, join my Telegram channel, the link also in the description of the video, and join my trading sessions as well. And see you soon, guys. I love you.